Welcome to episode 40 of
It Might Seem Hard, pulling that charcoal Charizard,
where I open a Pokemon booster pack of Pokemon Shining Fates every single day until we pull the elusive Shiny Charizard VMAX from the Shining Fates Shiny Vault, worth around $100 according to TCG Player and PriceCharting.com. I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Now let's get into it. Now, the last few episodes, we've been pulling a whole lot of doo-doo stains and doo-doo caca cards that we do not want or need. So let's see if we can pull some absolute stunning cards today. 4 from the back, and I'm going to say Lightning, Psychic. We got a Thwacky, Gym Trainer, Floatzel, Eevee, Morpeko, Buizel, Nickit, Cacnea. We get an amazing rare Kyogre. That's kind of sick. Not a banger, but it's sick. And then Doo-Doo Caca. Doo-Doo Caca.